Hey, if you work in sales and other people in your industry are making $250,000, $500,000, $750,000, or over $1 million a year, maybe there's people at your company that are making that, and it's not what you're making, and you always thought, hey, I should be making that, or hey, it could be a lot easier. I want to tell you right now, you should be making that kind of money, and it can be a lot easier for you. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Listen, sales is hard, but with the right process, it can be easy, and you can double or triple your income in a very short period of time. Click the link here. We want to show you what we have at eastonuniversity.com. We've got a learning portal that will take you through everything you need to know, from prospecting to negotiating to closing to building your personal brand. Everything you're going to want to know to take your income to those higher levels is right there on the interactive learning portal. And where the real magic happens is twice a week. You're going to be able to do live coaching with me. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. You're going to meet professionals just like you from your industry and other industries from all over the world that are making the kind of money you want to make right now. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It is your future, and you are about to start making the kind of money you always thought you could. Click the link here. I'll see you at Easton University.